here live with the Virgin Mary. I don't know from where, but
back to our YouTube home.
2 inches left.
Hey guys. Hey guys, what's up? What's up? Welcome back to
my mom's YouTube channel. And today we're going to Mount St. Helens.
we're going to Coldwater Lake, which is like a few minutes away from the Johnston Ridge Observatory, and we're gonna do like a short 6-mile hike on the west side of the lake, and then after that we're gonna go to the Johnston Ridge Observatory to get a nice view of Mount St. Helens, and we're gonna get the view of the south, the north, the north side, I think, that where they actually erupted and the mountain kind of like fell apart. Yeah. Oh, look, it's clear now.
Yes, it's clearing up, you guys. Finally, woo! Sama namin kayo sa aming hiking. So, let's go.
I think I missed my exit.
You did, oh my goodness, you missed the exit.
Yeah.
Where's the exit?
It's like back there, I guess.
I went to bed pretty late, and we woke up at 6. And then because we have to leave the house by 7 kasi we have to beat the sun. Kamaya pag umalis kami ng late sa bahay, it's gonna be super hot. Especially you have that rashes. I cannot be exposed in the sun. Oh my goodness, man, what are you doing? Jesus.
Stopping in the middle of the road.
There's nobody.
Yeah.
I think because we're too early.
Yeah.
We made it to our first stop. London, stay there, baby. Oh my god, my ears pop. Wait. Wow. That's Mount St. Helens. Right behind me. Hi, Pokemon head. More excited about the nature is the view, and of course we don't have to wear the mask. Natural social distancing. And I noticed, guys, yung mga taong mahilig sa nature, they are more happy, and also they just like to greet each other, just like when you pass by them, they're like, hi, how are you? And dito na kami sa campground, and I think we're gonna do 3 miles papunta doon, tapos 3 miles pabalik.
The Johnston Ridge Observatory. That's where we're gonna go after the hike, and this is the one we're gonna do today. All the way here.
Okay. Sweet.
It'll be about 6 miles.
Cool. I'm gonna braid my hair, guys, before we go kasi I'm all set. Woo! Daddy, this is nice. Thank you. Yeah. Where's London? Nice to my baby boy. Magsisimula na kami ng aming hiking. Tumitingin lang si Daddy tsaka si Misha doon kung saan yung path na pupuntahan namin. Then, dito sa likod ko, kung nakikita nyo, ito sa Coldwater Lake. Sana nagdala pala ako ng swimsuit ko para nakatalon ako mamaya pag sobrang init.
This is working fine, and now it's like not working at all.
Oh.
It's turning itself off, doing some random shit.
That's a bummer. Oh.
Yeah.
He set his GoPro at saka yung gimbal. And eventually, hindi na siya gumagana. So, he's kind of upset. I'm filming you.
Filming you.
Guys, she really loves nature. She is a nature lover. He'll get some frappuccino from Starbucks. Sweet! Look at you, Pikachu.
I know.
You're all set. Except with that GoPro.
I figured it out.
You did?
Yeah.
What a rig. That's the life of a YouTubero. Tubero, not a YouTuber. Can we just buy property here?
Yeah.
Imagine our house is right here. That would be a dream. Oh my god, this is just gorgeous. Love the fresh air. This is something that you cannot buy, really. This is free. All we paid was the gas and we brought our snacks. Life is good. Can you believe, during this time, hindi man kami makapag-travel abroad. But luckily, dito kami nakatira sa Washington State. And there's so many things to do here. At saka marami kang pwedeng pasyalan na hindi ka kailangan gumastos ng mahal. Kagaya neto, wala naman kami binayaran dito. Gasolina lang. It's not just an exercise for you, for your kids, and also your doggy. Ooh, what is this? Oh no, it says restroom.
Oh, okay.
Cool. I thought it was a haunted house. You wanna go there? Daddy, it says stays on the trail. Get your ass here. You hungry already? The best food ever, huh? Better than restaurant? Because you know who made it? Daddy made it. Guys, let me know in the comments down below kung mahilig din ba kayo sa nature or you are a nature lover, or kung nandito kayo sa Washington State, baka meron kayong marekomenda sa amin na we could check it out one of these days. I just wanna jump on this water right now. As in right now.
And the best part is that you get some amazing views because you're walking literally right next to the lake, right there. And then you have all the mountains here. Mount St. Helens is way in the back, but you get some magnificent views at every turn. The only thing I would say is that it's too narrow. It's only for one person to comfortably walk on it. Just three of us.
That's cool. You can even ride your bike here. You see that?
Yeah.
That's pretty cool.
That's
cool. Badass. It looks like a ice, and then this is the mount. How are we gonna get there? Look at that. Oh my god. Look at the water there. It's super clear.
Wow, it's a big one.
That is leading. Be careful. I'm pretty sure the water is pretty cold because they call it Coldwater Lake. Buhat na talaga siya. Pagod na talaga siya. Yeah? I bet you're tired, huh? Latan! We were here, I think, last year during fall time. It didn't really give a justice. It's because there's no, like, leaves. And it's just so gloomy that day. But this time is a perfect time. The weather forecast says it's gonna be raining today. But it's not. It's like bipolar. Just like somebody.
You?
Like somebody. Just kidding, he's not. I am.
We're almost back in the parking lot. And after that, we're gonna make another stop at Johnston Ridge Observatory to check out Mount St. Helens views.
Good job! High five, Nisha. Yeah, without complaining, I'm so proud of you.
Somebody owes me something for not complaining.
Wow! What is it? I know what you want. Pizza? We made it! Woo! Good job! Good job! London! Good job! Yes!
We left Misha and London in the car and we're gonna go somewhere here so we can go get some more drone shots of the lake and the little island.
Yes. I'm gonna take you to dinner. Yeah, put it in my mouth. Grabe naman maka-wipe. Ew, your hands is dirty. Ew. It's just me and him going on a mini day. There's no celebration today, but every day is a celebration. Every day is a special day for us. So. Right now, love?
We are at 4,000 feet.
Above sea level elevation?
No, above civilization.
Escarnatation. We're here. We're here now.
Here live with the Virgin Mary. I don't know if you heard that. Oh yeah, from the Philippines.
Virgin from what part of the body?
That's what I meant, that's the joke. And then I turned it into something else. See? This is nice. Definitely worth the trip. Just wow. You're welcome.
During the past 4,000 years, Mount St. Helens has erupted more frequently than any other volcano in the Cascade Range. In the morning of May 18, 1980, the largest terrestrial landslide in recorded history reduced the summit by 1,300 feet and triggered a lateral blast. Lahar's volcanic mud flows filled rivers with rocks, sand, and mud, damaging 27 bridges and 200 homes and forcing 31 ships to remain in ports upstream. Here's my OOTD! Yes, we're going on a date. Oh, that feels good. After that, hi! My... What's that? Like Dalagang Pilipina style? I feel good. It's so funny because my gym is just right around the corner. It's my cheat day! Cheers! It was so exhausting kanina, but you know what? It was fun. I will definitely do it again. I can't wait to do it again. Maybe next week. Oh, actually, tomorrow we have a plan to go to the lake and just relaxing because Monday we have to go back to work. Misha, she's at home in London and we ordered some pizza for her. That's her favorite, and now she's just watching TV. And thank God she's like a teenager now, so we're able to leave her on her own for a few hours. Especially we live inside the base, so we don't have to worry about that. You know, I called Texas de Brazil, the Brazilian steakhouse, and I was asking them if they have available for tonight. And they said, sorry, I was gonna surprise you, but they didn't have available for tonight. So.
Wow.
Thank you so much for watching. We're just gonna enjoy our food and see you guys later. Bye. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Adios. Are you serious?
I'm forcing.
Hold this.